Guys, you see this backlash? People think that you would have to cut this backlash, and you really don't. I'm going to show you guys. I will get this backlash out. It is very bad. You see it's all caught up. Almost everybody will cut this off, but I will get this out. I will show you how. Gotta keep working. So you see these, so you see these little things right here. So I'll pull the main line. See, so that's what you want to grab. Like, they wrap around the main line. See, right there. So you want to grab that, and you want to pull. Just pull it out. See? Now that came out. Now I should get a little more. There we go. Alright, so see there's more right here. Main line. There's some loops right here. See it? So, what you do is you pull them out. Same way. Same way, guys. So you gotta pull a little bit more. I mean, this right here is a backlash out of hell. This only happens if you hit an overhanging tree, or what I did was I hit the tree with my lure. Just every backlash you can get out. I mean, because it don't knot. It don't make knots. It looks like knots, but it's not. That spool keeps that line good, believe me. It don't knot it up. Just gotta keep working. See, there's another one. Pull them right on out. See, look, check it out. So if they don't pull out, you got to go back and you got to, you know, try to pull other stuff. You just got to keep pulling, and eventually it'll work. See? Just keep pulling. Whatever that main line, whatever you see, you got to follow your main line. Now my main line's over here. I'm stuck again. And they're down there like that. Take a fish hook. Pull it out, because I can't get it with my finger. There we go. Keep on going. I got it. That was a backlash from hell, guys. I was waiting for that to happen to show you guys this. I got it. But, yep, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of it. Every backlash is possible to get out. I mean, unless you tie a knot on it. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.